Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of the human brain. It's the most complex object in the known universe, with billions of neurons firing and trillions of synapses connecting. Get ready to be amazed by these fascinating facts. Faster than a speeding neuron, information travels through the brain at a blazing 120 meters per second. That's like a signal going from here to the other side of a football field in the blink of an eye. The brain's processing speed is constantly changing, adapting, and evolving based on what you're learning and experiencing. It's sifting through sensory input, regulating bodily functions, forming thoughts, and making decisions, all at lightning speed. It's like having a supercomputer between your ears, constantly working to keep you alive and aware. A petabyte of memories. Let's talk storage capacity. The human brain has a storage capacity of about 2.5 petabytes. That's 1 million gigabytes, folks. Imagine trying to fill up a hard drive that big. Your brain manages to store all your memories, experiences, knowledge, and skills without breaking a sweat. Every sight, sound, and smell you've ever encountered is tucked away somewhere in that incredible organ. It's a library of your life, constantly being written and rewritten with each passing moment. The power of neuroplasticity. For a long time, scientists believed that the brain was pretty much fixed after a certain age. But guess what? They were wrong. The brain is incredibly adaptable and can rewire itself throughout your life through neuroplasticity. Think of your brain like a giant network of roads and highways, with neurons acting as the cities and synapses as the connections between them. Every time you learn something new, it's like building a new road. The more you use that road, the wider and more established it becomes. Your brain is constantly evolving, adapting, and finding new ways to connect information. 86 billion reasons to be amazed. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. That's more stars than there are in the Milky Way galaxy. Each neuron is a tiny information processing unit, capable of forming thousands of connections with other neurons. If you were to line up all the neurons in your brain end to end, they would stretch for an astonishing 600 miles. These neurons are constantly firing, creating a symphony of activity that governs everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and bodily functions. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. The brain's energy crisis. Your brain might only make up about 2% of your body weight, but it consumes a whopping 20% of your body's energy. It's like a high-performance machine, constantly processing information, regulating bodily functions, and keeping you alive and aware. So the next time you reach for that extra cup of coffee or feel a mid-afternoon slump, remember that your brain is a hungry organ. It needs a constant supply of fuel to function at its best. The emotional roller coaster inside your head. Ever wonder why you feel happy when you see a puppy or get butterflies in your stomach before a big presentation? Thank your limbic system for that. This ancient part of the brain is responsible for our emotional responses, from joy and excitement to fear and sadness. It's constantly scanning your environment, interpreting sensory information, and triggering emotional responses based on your past experiences and learned associations. It's all part of what makes us human. The brain's amazing ability to bounce back. We've already talked about neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. But did you know that this amazing organ also has an incredible capacity for healing? The brain can recover from injuries and adapt to new situations in ways we never thought possible. After a stroke, the brain can sometimes reroute neural pathways to compensate for damaged areas. Even in cases of more severe brain injury, the brain can still find ways to adapt and function. This remarkable ability to bounce back is a testament to the brain's resilience and its incredible capacity for change. Your brain while you sleep. You might think that your brain shuts down when you go to sleep, but that's not true at all. Your brain is incredibly active during sleep, working hard to process information, consolidate memories, and prepare you for the day ahead. Think of sleep as the ultimate brain maintenance time. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is busy clearing out toxins, consolidating memories, and strengthening neural connections. So the next time you're tempted to pull an all-nighter, remember that you're not just depriving your body of rest, you're also shortchanging your brain. New brain cells? Yes, it's possible. For a long time, scientists believed that we were born with all the brain cells we would ever have. But guess what? They were wrong again. The brain can actually generate new neurons throughout our lives through a process called neurogenesis. Exercise, learning new things, and getting enough sleep can all help to stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Your brain's role in perception. Ever wonder why two people can look at the same thing and see it completely differently? Our perception of reality is not simply a matter of our senses. It's also shaped by our brains, which interpret sensory information based on past experiences, beliefs, and expectations. This means that what we perceive as reality is a subjective experience unique to each of us. Keep those synapses firing. There's still so much more to discover about this complex and mysterious organ. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize just how much we don't know. And that's what makes it all the more fascinating. Would you like to see more videos exploring the mind, body, and beyond? Then check out our videos on the science of sleep, how to get a better night's rest, and the science of emotions, why we feel the way we do. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 channel. See you next time.